You have a custom fit high performance bat for every cavity in the house, large or small. Here we are today on a job that we've insulated, and we've used the blown-in system on our exterior walls. There are several benefits to the blown-in system. You hear a lot about grade 1 install with a fiberglass bat, how it needs to be touching on all 6 sides. Those 6 sides are the bottom plate, the top plate, both side plates, as well as the back of the wall and the sheetrock on the front of the wall. One of the things you'll notice about the blown-in system is it allows for a slight bulge on the front of the cavity. So when the sheetrock is applied to that, it keeps its pressure on the sheetrock to maintain that grade 1 install. As you blow on a wall, you also build up your density, so you have less air movement in that wall cavity, as well as higher R values. In a 2x6 wall, we're achieving R24. In a 2x4 wall, we achieve R15. Anytime you have a wall that is not perfectly straight, and really today, how often do we have studs that are straight? So you have a custom fit high performance bat for every cavity in the house, large or small. It's a great way to insulate, pays for itself extremely quick in your energy bills.